Well, wait, here he is now, the owner of the house. So, hello, sir. Sir, do you have a moment to talk? Would you like to sell your house for cash?
Yes, welcome to your new home.
Ah, thank you. Oh, it's beautiful in here.
Amazing.
Wow.
It's so efficient. You get to have the air conditioning run with the windows all open.
Wow. And does the couch come with it?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay,
Everything
perfect.
you see.
Oh my
for
goodness,
one low price.
bro! I remember just seeing the pictures with all of this weirdness going on.
Well, that's like
I was
fresh
never
out of Italy.
I was never in here. So, and looks like he was an artist as well. I think he decorated a few of the trains that I've seen downtown. So, Budweiser
sitting on the bed.
Budweiser Twisted Tea. Oh, and you can't get away from little friends that he's been collecting. Right, man. This is a gem. Now, Don, why did you plug this fancy machine in? What's going on here? It's why does it smell like rain?
You see how it says motor free?
And smoke at the same time. So, all right, the AC's on. That's great. We've even graffitied the fridge. Do not open that. Kitchen needs a little work. I wonder if we can scrub that clean. Not sure what that is. I'm not sure if I really want to try to understand what's happening here. But we've got some custom cabinets that were being made with no doors. And it looks like a little drywall repair maybe. Oh wow. That is something I don't even want. Like, I'm just walking away. Oh my gosh. Wow. How was it that someone was just living here yesterday? Oh, whoa. Hidden gem. Oh, gross. Oh gosh. I think that's a diaper. We've got a hot tub, people. We have got a hot tub. Don, get out here quick, man. Oh, I'm going to surprise him with this one.
What?
I'm going to surprise you with this one, bro. Hold on. Let me get the door. Let me close it. Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Well, no, you got to open your eyes so you don't step on the needles. Come on. Ready? Look up. Look at this. Huh? Hot tub, baby. And the gazebo.
Hot tub time machine.
Hot tub time machine. Why don't you get yourself in there right now?
You know, that might work.
That's good stuff right there. Well, another beauty, eh?
I mean, again, the walls are just reminiscent of Italy.
Yep. This might be an as-is for us that we sell. Oh, and a great fire pit out there. Yeah, that's awesome.